Konting vlog lang 'no, may pumukaw ng atensyon ko, sa newsfeed ko 'no. It's a, post 'no, by the Presidential Communications Office. To cut the long story short, nakalagay, layunin, paigtingin ang preventive health care upang maagapan ang sakit at mapanatiling malusog ang mga Pilipino. So, this is ano 'no, this is a good, advocacy. This is a good project or whatever they want to call it, no? I just hope na hindi siya slogan, no? Hindi siya political statement lang. I do hope na talagang intensyon at layunin talaga nila, as in truly, madly, deeply, na paigtingin, no? Base sa post nila, paigtingin ang preventive healthcare para maagapan. Preventive. Prevent, maagapan ang sakit. So ano ba yung mga sakit na yon, no? Diabetes, hypertension, chronic kidney disease, cancer, etc., etc., etc. So I do hope na talagang layunin talaga nila, no, na paigtingin ang preventive healthcare. That being said, no, if they are truly madly deeply serious about it, then they should learn about low carb and intermittent fasting. And I have been saying this since 2018. Now they have to learn about LCIF simply because it's one of the best, no, measures, if not the only nutritional measure para mapaigting, no, mapalakas ang immune system natin at ma-prevent itong mga sakit na to. So, yun lang, no, gusto ko lang sabihin na sana aralin nga nila. Hindi ito mema-mema lang. I do hope aralin nila. And they could learn more about it via a lot of ways. And should they need to learn more about it from me, I'm willing to extend, no, share my knowledge about it if they require or need me, no. But there are a lot of ways on how they can learn it, no. Just learn it. So I do hope hindi nga siya political slogan. Okay?